A high-yield savings account is a financial tool that allows you to grow your money faster than traditional savings accounts. These accounts offer significantly higher annual percentage yields, APYs, often ranging from 4% to 5%, compared to the national average of 1.75%. This makes them a smart choice for individuals looking to maximize their savings without taking on investment risks. In California, the APY landscape varies, but online banks and credit unions often provide the best rates. With the right account, you can earn more interest while maintaining easy access to your funds. Whether you're saving for a home, an emergency fund, or future investments, a high-yield savings account is a low-risk way to achieve your financial goals. This video will guide you through the top 5 high-yield savings accounts available in California. We'll cover their APYs, fees, and other essential features to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Open Bank, leading with 4.75% APY. Open Bank offers one of the highest APYs in the nation at 4.75%, making it a standout option for savers. This online bank requires a minimum opening deposit of $500, but imposes no ongoing minimum balance requirement. Additionally, there are no monthly maintenance fees, ensuring that every dollar you save works for you. The bank operates entirely online and through mobile platforms, which means you won't have access to physical branches. However, its digital tools are robust and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy Californians. Keep in mind that Open Bank does not offer ATM cards or mobile check deposits. With its competitive rate and low barriers to entry, Open Bank is ideal for those who want maximum returns without worrying about hidden fees or balance requirements. Number 2. PIBank, flexible and competitive at 4.6% APY. PIBank delivers a strong APY of 4.6%, making it another excellent option for Californians seeking high returns on their savings. Unlike many competitors, PIBank has no minimum deposit or balance requirements, allowing anyone to start saving immediately. Additionally, there are no monthly fees, which keeps your earnings intact. This bank operates exclusively online and through its app, offering convenience but no physical branch access. While it lacks ATM cards and mobile check deposit features, its straightforward approach appeals to those who prioritize high returns over additional banking services. PIBank's flexibility and competitive rates make it particularly attractive for first-time savers or those transitioning from traditional banks with lower yields. Number 3. Brio Direct, balancing high APY with requirements. Brio Direct offers an impressive APY of 4.55%, but it comes with stricter requirements compared to other options on this list. To open an account, you'll need an initial deposit of $5,000, and maintaining a balance of at least $25 is necessary to earn the advertised rate. While there are no monthly fees if you opt for electronic statements, paper statements incur a $5 charge. Brio Direct also provides mobile check deposit capabilities, but does not offer ATM cards or checking accounts. This account is best suited for savers with larger initial deposits who want reliable online banking experience paired with high returns. Number 4. Fitness Bank, unique approach at 4.55% APY. Fitness Bank takes a unique approach by tying its APY to your daily step count. To earn the maximum rate of 4.55%, users must maintain an average daily step count of 12,500 as tracked through the bank's app. For those with lower activity levels, tiered rates are available based on step counts. The bank requires a minimum opening deposit of $100 and imposes no monthly maintenance fees as long as you maintain this balance. However, like many online banks, Fitness Bank does not offer ATM cards or mobile check deposit features. This account is perfect for health-conscious individuals who want to combine fitness goals with financial growth while enjoying competitive rates. Number 5. Poppy Bank, local advantage at 4.5% APY. Poppy Bank is based in Santa Rosa, California, and offers a competitive APY of 4.5%. To earn this rate, you'll need a minimum balance of $1,000 after opening your account with any amount. The bank charges no monthly fees if you opt for electronic statements. Otherwise, there's a $5 fee for paper statements. Unlike most online-only banks on this list, Poppy Bank provides access to physical branches across California, while also serving customers nationwide through its digital platform too. This hybrid model makes an excellent choice for those who value both in-person service and high returns. Poppy Bank's strong local presence and attractive rates make it ideal for Californians who prefer a blend of traditional and modern banking services. When choosing between these accounts, consider factors like APY rates, minimum balance requirements, and accessibility options such as physical branches or digital tools. For example, Open Bank offers the highest APY but lacks ATM access. PIBank provides flexibility with no minimum requirements. Brio Direct suits those with larger deposits. Fitness Bank rewards active lifestyles. Poppy Bank combines local service with competitive rates. Understanding these differences will help you align your choice with your financial goals and lifestyle preferences. How to open your high-yield savings account. Opening any of these accounts is simple and can be done entirely online in most cases. Start by gathering essential documents like your social security number and proof of address. Then visit the bank's website or app to complete the application process by providing personal details and funding your account via bank transfer or check deposit. Pay attention to each bank's specific requirements during setup, such as minimum deposits, to ensure you qualify for their advertised rates. To get the most out of your high-yield savings account, consistently maintain the required balances to avoid penalties or reduced rates. Automate deposits from your paycheck or checking account. Regularly review your account's performance against competitors' offerings. These practices ensure steady growth while minimizing effort. High-yield savings accounts offer an excellent opportunity to grow your money safely while retaining liquidity. Among the options discussed, choose Open Bank if maximizing APY is your priority. Opt for Poppy Bank if local branch access matters. Consider Fitness Bank if you're motivated by fitness goals. Evaluate your needs carefully before making a decision. Your financial future depends on it.